Alright, so I have this big old equation I've got to solve. So first things first, common denominator. B plus 3, B minus 3. So I get this B plus 3 when this factors into it, and a B minus 3. So I know my common denominator is going to be this B plus 3, B minus 3. So I'm just going to go through and we're going to set ourselves up. So 7, and I get this B plus 3, B minus 3, all over a B plus 3. Add 5. So I get that B plus 3, B minus 3, all over B minus 3 is equal to 10B minus 2 times B plus 3, B minus 3, all over B plus 3, B minus 3. Okay, cancels out. Zoom, zoom, zoom. So I get 10B minus 2 right there. Okay? So here we go. B minus 3, B minus 3, so I get 5. And I get that B plus 3. Okay? Parentheses, I got to multiply that out. Okay? B plus 3, B plus 3, so I get a 7, B minus 3, add. Right? I've got to multiply stuff out, so I get 7B minus 21, add 5B, add 15 is equal to 10B minus 2. So I'm just going to do something here. 7B add 5B is a 12B. 21 add 15 is a negative 6 is equal to a 10B minus 2. Well, I want to get 6 to the other side, so I'm going to add 6. I'm going to just do all this at one time. Minus 10B minus a 10B. So I get 2B is equal to a 4. When I divide by 2, I get B is equal to a 2. So let's check stuff out. My restrictions, B can equal a 3 or a negative 3. This is a legit solution. Okay, we're going to do one more that's very similar to that problem. So here we are. We're right here. X plus 2, X minus 2 is equal to this stuff. So I'm going to factor. So I get X plus 2, X minus 2. So right here, I'm going to set myself up a little bit faster. If this is an X plus 2, the X plus 2's are going to cancel out. So I'm just going to have an X minus 1 on top. So I'm going to get a 3 times that X minus 2. Right? Because I need to times the bottom, right? So that's going to go away. If this is a minus 2, I need to times the bottom and the top by the same thing, X plus a 2. And I can just then go plus 1 times X plus 2. This is on the bottom, so when I multiply it by the top, that goes away, and I just get the value of X. Distribute stuff out. 3X minus 6. 1X, 1 times X is a X. 1 times 2 is a 2, is equal to an X. So here we go. 3X plus X is a 4X. Negative 6 plus 2 is a negative 4, is equal to an X. So, don't care what you do. I'm going to do some magic stuff. I'm going to add 4, add 4. Those go away. So I get 4X is equal to X plus 4. I'm going to minus an X. So I get 3X is equal to a 4. And then divide by 3, shown way too many steps. X is equal to a 4 thirds. And we're solved. X can equal a 2 or a negative 2. And guess what? We're okay with that because check out our answer, 4 thirds.